I'm going to explain here how to use ViewContainerRef nodes in Angular 17. Basically, a view container is a node in Angular component tree that can contain content. Any component or directory can inject ViewContainerRef keywords to get a reference to a view container corresponding to that component or directory location in the DOM. If you can use create component methods on ViewContainerRef to dynamically create and render a component. When you create a new component with a ViewContainerRef, Angular depends it into the DOM as a next sibling of the component or directive that inject the ViewContainerRef. See, here is an example. One is the leaf component class and another one is the outer container component class, and third one is the inner item component class. In the first leaf component we have a template. This is the leaf component content. This is the leaf content, and outer container contain the this is the start of the outer container and inner items. This is the end of outer container. See, in the inner item we have a template. Define a button on click event load content. Once we click on the click event load content, the load content method basically hit to the create component leaf content. In the above example, this once clicking the load content button result in the following DOM structure look like this. Outer a container. In the outer container, the page, this is the start of the outer container. Inner item, in the inner item opening and closing here. In the create the button load content, and leaf content inner and out. This is the leaf content, and the page, this is the end of the outer container. That basically the this is the start of the outer container, the end of the outer container. In between we have added the inner items and the leaf content. This is the basically use of the ViewContainerRef in Angular 17. I hope you got the idea about ViewContainerRef. I will share all the details about this in the comment. So if you got any if you need any other detail, please comment in the comment box. I will provide you the documented. Thank you.